Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to try out these dictionary filters on Instagram. So I'll be trying around 10 filters. So check out this video to find out the creators, or if you're in a hurry you can check the description box also. I'll give the link to the filter there. So let's check the first one. This is the first one. Tap on the screen to get these words. Okay, nice one. Okay, so I'll be going to the creator profile. Okay, this is the creator, Venus. Okay, let's go check the second one. Okay, tap on the screen. So this is actually not a dictionary filter, it's a time dictionary. Breakfast time to show how nice this morning is. Lunchtime was too hard to pick what you eat. Okay, good one. What I am thankful for. Nice one. Coffee time. Okay, nice. So the creator of this one is Sophia. I don't know why my net is slow. Okay, let's go check the third one. Okay, so here in this filter you have an option, you can add picture or video from your camera roll. Okay, so here tap on the screen and first one is for food. Select this one, is for friends. Same thing I think. Okay, only the preset is changing. Okay, having 3 preset, and you can browse picture from your gallery also. Creator for this one is Gabrielle Karina. Check in her filter tray, she's having some awesome filter. Okay, so let's go check the next one. Dictionary 2. Let me see. Okay, with 3 preset, and tap on the screen to get different words. Okay, for this creator is Mary. Okay, let's go check the next one. Devil's Dictionary. A route of many roads leading from nowhere to nothing. The dream of a mad philosopher. Okay, so this is only with words. To get this one, visit the creator profile. Okay, some of the creators are having private profile. You have to send him request to get access to the filter, or the links are below in the comment section. You can get from there. Okay, let's check the next one. Okay, let's tap on the screen. Nice one. Okay, the creator is same, Mary. Okay, let's go check the next one. Looking good. Okay, text are at the bottom, I can't read them properly. When you record a video or take a picture, you can see them. Okay, so for this one, let's go to the creator profile. Dasa is the creator of this one. Let's go back. Let's check the next one. This is black and white. Let's tap on the screen. Okay, good one. Let's go to the creator profile. Steph is the creator of this filter. Okay, let's go check the next one. Tap on the screen and font is good. Okay, so for this one the creator is CA. Okay, let's go check the next one. Okay, preset is good. Okay, I like the position. Okay, 7 or 8 words are there. For this one, let's go to the creator profile. Okay, this is also a private account, so no problem guys, the links are in the description box below. Okay, okay, this preset is also good. I like the preset. Enjoy the pleasure of today. Text, the font is also good. Okay, so that was it guys. Okay, I didn't shown you the creator name here. Okay, Katrina is the creator of this one. Okay, you can follow her also, she's also having some awesome filter. Okay guys, so that's it in this video. Thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video. You are still here. Okay, if you are still here, you can watch this video, or you can subscribe me, or you can hit the bell icon to get future notification from me. Click something. Okay guys, see you.